In order to do surveillance, spy cameras are the best. You can buy cameras in different shapes, sizes, and forms. Today manufacturers can fit cameras in almost anything. But are all of them reliable? No. There is so much garbage in the name of spy cameras. One faulty camera can cost you a lot. To help you find the most reliable and quality hidden cameras, we have come up with a list of the best spy cameras. There are many products available to choose from best spy camera, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best spy camera from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. MHDYT Wireless Mini Spy Camera. This is a pretty small wireless hidden camera by MHDYT, which you can even hide behind your fingers. As for the official specifications, it's a thumb-sized camera with measurements of 0.87 inches. Well, we love the functional performance of the camera so much that we have decided to put it in our top reviews section. In this review, we are going to talk about its fitness, features, functions, and expert talk. After opening up the little box, you will get all the required accessories to access the process. It is perfect for home security. Also, the instruction manual provided is pretty basic with product information, a packing list, and installation. So, you can go and get a quick read of the manual. We also tried the 13-inch sling provided with the package. It's better to fit on the neck and perform well. Number 2. Toki Wireless Spy Camera. Get another lovely and interesting phone charger spy camera by Toki. Nowadays, people have great admiration for such products, especially the covert spy cameras and phone chargers. They're highly secretive as compared to other ones available in the market. What if you get all the features of big spy cameras in this small device? That's why it is on the list of top products. Not just one, this charger spy camera comes with 2 USB ports. That's nice and exclusive to this camera. Let's now introduce you to its real performance check. Along with the hidden camera, you will get a user guide manual, and South Dakota card reader, and some stuff looking similar to a guitar pick. Well, you need the pick to insert a micro South Dakota card into the camera. It's cool to open the charger back with pick and card insertion. Other than that, all you need to process the camera is an app. After checking the hidden camera, we noticed that there were no indicator lights, and there is a self-protector for a hidden camera built in there. We checked the video quality both from distance as well as close. It's pretty fantastic with an adjustable color range. Number 3. Sirgawain Pen Spy Camera. Pen spy cameras are really awesome, and we've got one by Sirgawain. You can confidently call it the best spy camera among the pen cameras available in the market. It is made to capture a 1080 HD video with just one click. This is a wide-angle camera with 90-degree video recording. That's the awesome angle in a pen camera. And it is capable of recording both HD quality pictures and videos. Just use it multifunctional whether in schools, buildings, homes, or any meeting. The performance of such a small creature would never disappoint you. You will get 5 ink cartridges, South Dakota card reader, a charging cable, a pin, and a cleaning cloth. There is also a facility to turn it on and off so that you can save power to a great extent. Also, we checked a 70-minute loop recording feature that can automatically overwrite its old footage. Apart from the simple structure, the camera is incredibly easy to use also. Just twist the bottom part if you want to use it as a pen. Any standard USB port is enough to charge this pen spy camera. Number 4. Relohas Mini Spy Camera. Relohas comes up with an HD mini spy camera that is compatible with Wi-Fi also. You can use this camera 24/7 live stream from any place in the world. Despite the small structure, the hidden camera got more features compared to the previous one. It can record Full HD 1080 HD in day vision and 720p in night vision. For a wider view, you can enjoy its 140U acute viewing angle. It has a hook design, so no one can easily detect the hidden camera being used by you. There are no sounds or lights to disturb another person. We connected the camera to our office Wi-Fi system to check its real performance. Well, you can't use it remotely over 5G HC Wi-Fi. For remote use, you can go within South Dakota card. However, its Wi-Fi connection is great all over the office range, and we recorded footage for almost 15 minutes after full charging. Number 5. Omples Spy Camera. Now it will be super interesting to capture precious or spy moments unnoticeably with this clock camera by Omples. It's just a regular clock with amazing specs and a hidden eye. For your kind information, it is supported by a phone app also. So, there are almost zero chances that you would like to ignore this item. For 24/7 recording, simply connect your hidden camera to Wi-Fi and enjoy the live stream anywhere directly from the app. The app supports many features such as alarming motion detection, adjustability of monitoring angle, live streaming, and so on. So, we first went on to charge the clock with the provided USB cable and power adapter. To get the clock, do not forget to insert an AA battery. After doing all of this stuff, you are good to go in processing the hidden camera. The unique part that we loved about the camera the most is its on and off feature. Fewer spy cameras come up with those features. It will also help you save power and reserve the product for a longer time in the future. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.